It's Walter Martin back, helping you find the best sales and deals on used cars in your particular area. And today we're going to go into Cincinnati, Ohio to look for the best sales and deals at the present time. And one of the best places to go to look for used cars is Craigslist. So go to google.com and type in Craigslist, Cincinnati, Ohio, and hit enter. And the first listing you're going to find is cincinnati.craigslist.org. Go ahead and click that link, and this will take you to the generic Craigslist page with Cincinnati, Ohio up top. Go ahead and go to the for sale section and click on cars and trucks, and then click on buy owner only. This is going to take you to some of the most affordable prices for used vehicles anywhere on the internet, and you're going to quickly see some very low prices. So here's a Dodge Neon for $1,300, and something I would warn anyone buying a used car on Craigslist about is a vehicle under $2,000. A lot of times people are just willing to sell vehicles for car parts and stuff like that, and also recognize that if there are any issues, it's going to end up costing much more in the future to fix those up with tires or transmission problems or anything like that. This one says it is actually running great, so that's a good start. A lot of times people are selling vehicles that don't even run when the price is that low. Something else I would strongly suggest is looking through a lot of different options. By doing plenty of research, you will see many different used cars for sale by owner. And something else I'm going to point out is OBO. So if it says 3,000 OBO, what that means is or best offer. So if a seller is looking to sell a vehicle for a certain price and they're not getting interest at that price point, they may be willing to take an offer. So if you have $2,800 or $2,700 cash, you could definitely walk away with this vehicle. So these are a few tips and tricks I like to use. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.